Here's our cute ornament.
We're gonna put these guys in there. Here? Alright, so we need to make a tube. A hole for the tube.
Okay.
And the way we do that is with the drill press. Once I get my stuff from Amazon, we can do it with the lathe. We'll put this in the lathe and then we'll put this drill bit in the end and just
Easy.
A lot easier than this. This is kind of a pain in the butt.
Make markings.
Find the center. We're gonna find the center. Easier than a big vise, but this'll work. And we just gotta be close, because eventually the lathe it'll make it round, as long as we're close. X marks the spot. Let's do that on this one too. Luckily, the stock is pretty square, so this will get us pretty close.
I forgot to take video. You did a hole.
Oh, so all I did was knock a little hole in there so that this tip can catch it. And you'll see why I want my stuff from Amazon here in a second. Because this won't drill all the way. Yeah, just wait on it to get shipped. This will not drill all the way through. Hey. Stuck.
One side and the other side.
Yay, I can drill a straight hole.
Nice.
Next.
Did you make hole there?
Yeah, I need to lock that in there. 2?
Because this one is for the short ones.
Oh. Pretty close. A little off.
Okay.
But the lathe doesn't care. It'll make it round. Alright, so those guys. And we're doing an ornament, so these don't need to be matched. So if you're making a pen, we would mark it. Like put an arrow so we know which side was together, like I did with that last pen. I had little arrows on there with an A so I knew which side was what. And so I knew where they went together. So if you look at that pen, the grain follows like this one. You can see the grain there. Yeah, you'd want that in a pen so that when it's together, it all lines up. This, 2 ornaments, doesn't matter. So we need some glues and some bloodies. We're going to stick your tube in the wood blank. First thing you do is scuff it up with a little sandpaper so that the glue has something to stick to.
Oh, that's a good idea. That's a technique.
Yeah, that's a technique. There, it's all scratched up.
Another one here.
Do the same to this one. This is just a little brass tube for the little pieces in your kit.
Oh, you need gloves.
I'm very going to go play with glue.
Oh.
I'm sick of picking it out of my fingernails. My finger gets stuck in my nose sometimes. This is a handy trick I learned watching videos. This is a mandrel. I actually would use this to, like, if I want to make that wider, you would just hammer that in there. But it holds it nice. They make, like, fancy schmancy ones. This was $10 at Home Depot. Where did I put the glue?
What glue is it? What kind of glue?
Blue. Some CA glue.
Okay.
CA glue is cyanoacrylate, is what it stands for. It's super glue. Super glue is cyanoacrylate. It's just that.
Did you say the Gorilla Glue?
Get some right on there.
Okay.
Then we're going to stick it in here. Let it twist and shout. Gonna give a little more. Let it all squeeze out.
You pushed it? Oh, it's in there.
It's in there now. Alright, that's one. Let that guy sit for a minute and I squirt some
How
activator on it.
how deep is this one gonna go?
It's going to be as long as this. Now we're going to clean it up so it's just this long.
Awesome.
So your ornament's not going to be super duper long. That's our first one. So. Oh, I guess that one's right there. It doesn't want to go any further.
The other one, is it far?
Yeah, well, look at it.
And then now we're gonna do that.
I got a little thing that...
Oh, that's cool.
Heats it up and burns it a little bit.
Oh.
What is that?
It's a finish.
testing out the other part of the ornament. Hold on. Some here.
You're getting these little things out of these little bags.
So that's the hard part, opening the bag.
Opening the bag's the hard part. That guy. There's your part for the hook. Alright, let's stick this guy in here.
Why do you do that?
So I'm gonna press this into there.
Oh.
And I can't do it by hand.
Okay.
So that's gonna go in there. After it goes in here.
Oh.
We're gonna use a little mechanical advantage.
Almost. I thought it was screw inside.
No, it's press fit.
Mm.
I have a little vise coming that'll do that. You just put it in and go.
Mm.
Vice having to do it with this big clunky vise here.
Okay. Mm. Here's our cute ornament.